Hey guys, how are you? This is Amit from Kamcrest NYC. We just wanted to show you an example of Lutron powered shades. So here we installed these 3 shades. They're fully motorized. We basically have this nice white bezel covering the shades. And we're gonna open up the Lutron app here. Go to the app, we're gonna select the dining room, which is the room we're in. And then here we basically have 3 panels, 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna basically open these panels one at a time. And here you can see as you're opening them, you can adjust them up and down however you want. You just want to do a full open. Kind of shows you the full app control aspect of things. We can also marry these shades to a wireless Pico remote. So you can have something laying on the table where you hit it and the shades go up and down. And here's another video of them going down. And then lastly, this app, since we have a radio array Lutron lighting system here, we also have lighting control. So here I'm turning on the dining room lights. And you see the cove lights go on. We did this LED strip all around. And you also have full dimming control through the app also. And this app can be married to any smart device, a smart speaker, Alexa, Siri Home, Google Home, so you can do voice control, and obviously the app smart control. Thank you.